Hello students, this is chemistry radio. So just close your eyes, visualize the things, learn and revise. Today's topic is electrochemical series. Electrochemical series is the arrangement of various elements in order of their increasing reduction potential values. If you visualize once the whole series, we have arranged in negative reduction potential to positive reduction potential values order. First one is lithium having highest negative, that is minus 3.05 volt, and last one is fluorine with plus 2.87 volt. In between, that is hydrogen with 0.00 volt. Remember, below hydrogen, that is having positive reduction potentials, important metals are copper, mercury, gold and silver. Copper, mercury, gold and silver. Above hydrogen with negative reduction potential values, the important metals are nickel, iron, chromium, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium, lithium. So here we have considered only important metals. Let me repeat: nickel, iron, chromium, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium, lithium. The important applications are, remember, greater the reduction potential, stronger is the oxidizing power, which means greater positive reduction potential, stronger is the oxidizing power. Hence remember, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent because fluorine is having highest positive reduction potential values. Similarly, smaller the reduction potential, greater is the reducing power. That is, lithium, for example, with highest negative reduction potential has highest reducing nature. Hence remember, most of the metals are present above hydrogen in the electrochemical series having negative reduction potential, act as good reducing agent. Then activity of the metals, if you consider, remember, metals with positive reduction potential cannot displace hydrogen from acids. For example, copper, mercury, gold, silver, they never displace hydrogen gas from dilute acids like HNO3, H2SO4, HCl, etc. But metals with negative reduction potential can displace hydrogen from acids. For example, sodium can react with HCl to liberate hydrogen gas. Similarly, zinc or lithium or potassium, all those metals are having negative reduction potential, can displace hydrogen from acids. Another important application is that metals with lower reduction potential can displace metals with higher reduction potential. Metals with lower reduction potential means, for example, lithium is having lowest, right? So lithium can react with zinc sulfate having lesser reduction potential. Lithium plus ZnSO4, you can get Zn plus lithium sulfate, which means lithium has displaced zinc from ZnSO4. Similarly, another example, zinc plus copper sulfate give rise to copper plus ZnSO4. Zinc is present above having negative, copper having positive reduction potential value. Hence remember, zinc is more reactive, hence zinc can displace copper sulfate from copper from copper sulfate to form ZnSO4. But copper react to ZnSO4 to form zinc plus copper sulfate is not possible in this particular case. This is about electrochemical series. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.